In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order foreign currency with Bank of America, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to have the Bank of America mobile app installed on your device and make sure your login information is handy. Once you're ready, open up the app and log in using your online banking ID and passcode. This will take you to your home screen where you will have several options to choose from. Now, look towards the top left corner of your screen where you'll notice a menu icon, often represented as three horizontal lines, or you might see something labeled as Profile or Accounts. Tap on that section to expand your menu options. From there, the next step is to scroll through the list until you find Foreign Currency. You might also see an option directly labeled as Order Foreign Currency. Simply tap on whichever option appears. After tapping on the currency option, you'll be directed to a new screen where you'll see a list of different currencies available for order. This is where you can choose the type and amount of currency you desire. Take your time examining the current exchange rates and make your selection accordingly. Once you're confident in your choices, proceed by selecting the best delivery method for your needs. You typically have two options: picking up the currency at a financial center or having it mailed to your address. Both options have their own set of pros and cons, so depending on your circumstances, select the one that suits you best. After you've settled on the details of your order, it's vital to thoroughly review everything to ensure accuracy. Double check that the type of currency, the amounts, and the delivery method align with your intentions. If everything looks good and nothing is amiss, you're all set to tap on Submit Order. A quick moment of patience here as the app processes your request, and voila, you'll be taken to a confirmation screen. This confirmation page is pretty important as it will present you with an order number and an estimated delivery date. Jot down or save this order number just in case you need to refer to it later. Being aware of when to expect your delivery also helps you plan your schedule around picking up the currency or ensuring someone is available to receive it in the mail. And there you have it. With these easy to follow steps, ordering foreign currency through the Bank of America mobile app is straightforward and efficient. By leveraging these steps, you can prepare for your travels with confidence, knowing you'll have the necessary currency on hand when you need it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.